So, today I was out doing a little hunting, see if I could find any new figures and everything, and I stumbled across something that intrigued me a lot. And it's something different than my other reviews, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Lego's Batman. The Batman Classic TV Series. The Adam West Batmobile with the Joker. I saw this. I didn't really grow up watching it. I'm not that old. But I did watch like reruns of the Adam West Batman TV series. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, yes, I'm going to have to build this. Because honestly, you cannot refuse. And if you really want to know, it's Lego's Batman number 76188. Batman Classic TV Series Batmobile. So yeah. Let's put this thing together and everything. First off, how you open these down? I haven't bought Legos in a long time. I'm going to need a knife. Move my camera a bit because I need my knife. Okay, hope that's still good. Oh, honestly, the Swiss Army knife is the actual Transformer knife you need to have because it can be anything. That's my opinion. But oh well. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing together. Oh, if you really want to see the back end, I don't know if you can really see that without the glare, but yeah. I've had put some Legos together a time or two, but yeah. Oh, goody. Stickers. Get some stickers. Yeah. Bag one. Okay, that's bag one. Bag two. And bag three. Put these aside. And here we go. Little nice space that swivels, turn, whatever you call it, with a little nice little bio on there. I got that sticker decal on there the best I can. Yeah. Bag two. Act 3. I believe that's it. I got a little worried because this piece somehow rolled under here and I got worried, so I stopped the video. But there we go. We have the 1966 Batmobile from the Batman Classic TV Series. Everything. And this thing is really cool looking. It's really nice. On this little turntable here. It's even got a little trunk. I put the extra batarangs and the little shooting projectiles in there. And kind of wish the set had Robin with it, but you know, it comes with too many figures. It's funny, they even have the little phone in here. That way, the mayor, Commissioner Gordon, can't get a hold of him. You can have Batman, Adam West Batman, just sit in there nice and snug. Keeps flying, gonna fly everywhere. But what's nice about this too is, take off the stand here. I don't know all you can see, but it's even got like little monitors, rockets, old dials style, and everything. It's got the parachute deploy stickers here, and little Batman symbol hubcaps, little symbols there. You got some decals there and part of the wing there. That these are adjustable. So you can kind of put it in the way you want it. More detail in the front. Bottom's actually pretty nice, solid. Not a lot of hidden gaps and stuff. There's the front of the grill. Shooting projectiles here. But yeah, pretty nice and everything. So let me just take this and just kind of put it back there. And you just have Joker here. You know what? Just stuff him in the trunk. There you go. It's going to take him to Commissioner Gordon. You do get a bit of extra bits and everything. There's a little bit there. Another little hubcap with the Batman logo on it. There's little stuff. A little plethora of little extra pieces there. But yeah, that's... But what do I think of this? This thing's actually cool. It's Legos and everything, but it's, you know, the classic the classic live-action TV series they had of Batman that starred Adam West And yeah, that's just really cool. I couldn't really pass up of not getting this and putting it together, and actually having, you know, even though this is not Transformers, but it's still a collection I like to actually have. I've actually got a Star Wars X-Wing, but yeah, I just saw this and I had to make a video. This thing is fun to put together and everything. Does it belong in everybody's collection? No, it doesn't. It's Batman. Unless you're a real big Batman theme, or you're a big fan of Batman, you like the Legos and all that stuff, then yeah, I would recommend to actually get this. This is not bad. It's roughly about a $30 price range. But yeah, it's really nice. And yeah. I don't know what else. I mean, I got it because it's Adam West Batmobile vehicle. What's not to love about it? So yeah, this is the Optimus Prime, and remember, may your collection maximize your spark, but never terrorize your wallet. See you next time.